In the world of compact construction, precision means everything. The TAKEUCHI TB285 Midi excavator, paired with the Martin Rock clamp, delivers exceptional control in heavy lifting and stone placement. This setup allows operators to handle boulders, curbs, and foundation stones with surgical accuracy, a task once requiring multiple workers. With its smooth hydraulics and durable clamp design, the TB285 doesn't just move material, it sculpts the landscape efficiently. Compact, powerful, and versatile, this combination shows how smart equipment design can redefine productivity on smaller job sites. Sustainable ground reinforcement made simple. That's Geoplast's Geogravel system. These interlocking plastic grids create stable, permeable driveways and pathways, supporting heavy loads while letting rainwater flow naturally into the soil. The result? Less runoff, cleaner drainage, and a surface that stays solid year-round. Easy to install and fully recyclable, Geogravel turns gravel paths into long-lasting, eco-friendly solutions for modern urban landscapes. The Pavimak Micro Pavi extrusion machine transforms how paving borders and concrete curbs are built. Instead of casting by hand, this compact extruder shapes continuous concrete profiles directly on site. It's fast, consistent, and reduces material waste. The Micro Pavi allows small teams to complete precise curbs in a fraction of the usual time. A perfect example of automation improving both craftsmanship and efficiency in civil construction. Road durability meets sustainability with HaTelit XP. This innovative asphalt reinforcement grid strengthens worn-out roads without full reconstruction. Installed between layers of asphalt, it prevents cracks and deformation caused by temperature and traffic stress. That means fewer repairs, lower CO2 emissions, and roads that last years longer. The L213 road renovation in this clip shows how Germany is using advanced materials to build smarter, more resilient infrastructure. Proof that sustainability and cost efficiency can go hand in hand. Removing old roofs often leaves behind sharp, dangerous nails that can delay new construction. The NX 2.0 machine is built to solve exactly that. With its rotating cutting heads and magnetic collection system, it quickly removes or trims leftover nails, leaving a smooth, ready-to-use surface. The process is fast, precise, and safe for both workers and equipment. NX 2.0 turns a messy teardown into a clean foundation for the next phase of roofing or renovation. Reinforcing old structures once meant heavy demolition and costly downtime. The C-MATRIX FRCM system changes that. Using a fabric-reinforced cementitious matrix, it strengthens concrete and masonry surfaces without adding significant weight. Installation is quick and minimally invasive, making it ideal for historical or load-sensitive buildings. This advanced fiber-reinforced method boosts safety, longevity, and sustainability, a perfect blend of traditional materials and cutting-edge engineering. combines precision with YTONG aerated concrete blocks. Lightweight yet strong, these prefabricated elements allow walls to rise in record time without sacrificing insulation or strength. This test footage shows just how quickly a team can assemble a full wall system, reducing labor and energy costs. YTONG's innovation lies not only in material science, but in simplifying the building process itself. Faster, cleaner, and more sustainable construction for modern housing. Flood control takes on a new form with SoilTain Dewatering Tubes. Made from high-strength geotextile fabric, these tubes are filled with sediment-laden water, allowing solids to settle and clean water to escape. Once dried, the compacted sediment becomes a stable barrier, perfect for reinforcing riverbanks or protecting shorelines. The system minimizes waste, requires no heavy construction, and turns natural materials into resilient infrastructure. It's environmental engineering at its most elegant. Efficiency on the road is often a matter of smart design. This 24-foot custom MoDOT Drum shows how tailored tools can transform maintenance operations. Designed to handle asphalt distribution with precision, it streamlines road repair and minimizes downtime. The larger capacity means fewer refills, and its optimized shape ensures even material flow. Small engineering refinements like these save hours on site, and when multiplied across an entire state, they redefine what fast maintenance really means.
Outdoor flooring made easy. The Level.Up system allows deck builders to fine-tune height adjustments with modular accessories. By simply adding or removing rings, installers can achieve perfect leveling on uneven terrain. This flexible system reduces the need for cutting, shimming, or redoing work. For architects and contractors, it's a time-saving solution that ensures flawless finishes in rooftop terraces, patios, and public spaces alike. Smart modular design turning complexity into simplicity. In Eddington, Cambridge, architecture meets sustainability through Sapphire's modular balcony system. These prefabricated aluminum balconies arrive on-site ready to install, minimizing disruption and waste. Lightweight yet strong, they're designed for long life and full recyclability. Their thermal breaks improve building efficiency, while factory precision ensures flawless alignment. Sustainable Sapphire balconies reflect a growing shift in urban housing. Build faster, reduce emissions, and deliver better comfort for residents. At the KNVB Training Center in Zeist, stability comes from below. Bosch Beton's precast retaining walls, or Kehrwanden, create clean, secure edges for landscape and structural support. Manufactured under strict quality control, each concrete unit ensures long-term durability and rapid installation. These elements resist earth pressure, drainage stress, and time itself, delivering Dutch precision that keeps infrastructure both beautiful and dependable.
Parking areas have always been time-consuming to build. Days of excavation, layering, paving, and curing. The PAVEFAST system completely changes that. Instead of pouring asphalt on-site, it uses modular panels that combine paving, waterproofing, and drainage in a single, ready-to-install solution. Each unit arrives prefabricated and precision-fitted. Workers simply align and interlock them, forming a durable surface that's ready for immediate use. There's no waiting for concrete to set or asphalt to cool, just instant structural stability. This method drastically cuts installation time and traffic disruption, making it ideal for commercial, industrial, and urban projects. Plus, because the modules can be removed and reused, PAVEFAST supports a circular economy approach to construction. Underneath each panel, integrated drainage layers handle stormwater efficiently, preventing puddles and erosion. It's a fast, sustainable, and low-noise alternative that replaces the old dig and pour approach. PAVEFAST isn't just paving reimagined, it's paving perfected.
Foundations are the backbone of every home, and Superior Walls has turned this essential step into a high-precision science. Unlike traditional poured concrete, which depends on weather, curing time, and site conditions, Superior Walls uses precast insulated wall panels manufactured in controlled environments. Each panel comes complete with integrated insulation, galvanized steel reinforcements, and framing studs, ready to set in place. The process begins as a flatbed truck delivers the panels directly to the site. Cranes lift them into position, fitting together like a giant 3D puzzle. Within hours, an entire basement or foundation structure stands firm, level, and ready for finishing. These walls are engineered for exceptional energy efficiency. The built-in insulation and thermal breaks minimize heat loss, while their airtight design prevents moisture intrusion, keeping basements dry and comfortable year-round. What's more, the system drastically reduces waste. There's no excess concrete to dispose of, no wooden formwork, and no curing delay. Homeowners benefit from faster project timelines, lower heating costs, and a stronger, cleaner foundation that lasts for generations. In this sped-up footage, we witness an entire shell of a house coming together faster than most builders can finish a footing pour. It's not just construction, it's precision assembly. Superior Walls represents the future of housing, durable, efficient, and ready to meet the demands of a new generation of homeowners.
Sound can define comfort. The BASWA Basic Acoustic System uses mineral-based plaster over an absorbent backing to create smooth ceilings that silence echo. Installed carefully in multiple thin layers, the result looks seamless yet hides powerful acoustic control beneath. In offices, museums, and homes, BASWA Basic transforms hard surfaces into elegant sound-absorbing architecture. Quiet duty, proving that performance doesn't have to compromise design.
Lighter than steel, resistant to corrosion, GFRP bars are reshaping reinforced concrete. This installation demonstrates proper placement, careful spacing, non-metallic supports, and gentle handling to prevent fiber damage. Once embedded, these bars won't rust, even in marine or chemical environments. That means longer-lasting bridges, tunnels, and foundations with minimal maintenance. GFRP reinforcement brings 21st century materials into the heart of civil engineering.
Sometimes strength lies in simplicity. Legioblock's interlocking concrete blocks stack like giant Lego bricks. No mortar, no fuss. Ideal for temporary walls, storage bays, or quick protective barriers, they combine instant stability with total flexibility. Need to expand or relocate? Just lift and rebuild. It's modular construction at its most practical, proving that robust infrastructure doesn't always require permanent foundations. Linup's modular railing and guard system brings safety with style. Designed for rooftops, balconies, and industrial platforms, the installation process is quick. Components snap together with precision fittings, no on-site welding required. The result is a clean, durable barrier that meets strict safety standards while preserving architectural elegance. Linup shows how thoughtful engineering can make protection both functional and visually refined. In modern construction, energy efficiency is no longer optional.
It's essential. Ecospraytherm Spray Foam insulation delivers one of the most effective ways to seal and protect buildings from heat loss and moisture. Once applied, the foam expands rapidly to fill every crack and gap, forming a seamless barrier across roofs, attics, walls, and floors. This continuous layer prevents air leaks that traditional insulation materials can't stop. The result? Consistent indoor comfort and reduced energy bills throughout the year. Beyond comfort, spray foam also strengthens structural integrity by bonding tightly to the surfaces it coats. It resists mold, pests, and water absorption, extending the life of the entire building envelope. Installation is quick. A small crew can insulate an entire home in a single day. The process is clean, controlled, and adaptable for both renovations and new builds. With its excellent thermal performance and long lifespan, Ecospraytherm Spray Foam stands as a cornerstone of sustainable living. It's not just insulation, it's a smart investment in comfort, health, and the planet. Every homeowner dreams of more space, but traditional attic conversions often mean heavy timber work, structural changes, and high costs. The TeleBeam system offers a smarter solution. These lightweight steel beams are designed to create strong, open-span floors without major alterations to existing roof structures. Installation begins with positioning the beams through small openings, avoiding the need to remove large sections of roof or ceiling. Once aligned, they're secured in place, forming a load-bearing frame that distributes weight evenly along the walls. The precision-engineered channels also accommodate insulation, wiring, and ventilation ducts, streamlining the rest of the build. This means faster installation, minimal disruption, and less material waste. Because TeleBeam eliminates the need for heavy timber joists, it provides a cleaner, more stable solution, one that resists warping, moisture, and pests over time. Homeowners gain extra living space, contractors save days of work, and the final result meets all structural and thermal standards. This system proves that with intelligent engineering, expanding a home doesn't mean rebuilding it. TeleBeam turns attics into bright, usable living areas efficiently, affordably, and beautifully.
Moisture is the hidden enemy of outdoor surfaces. Over time, trapped water beneath tiles and stone causes cracks, stains, and frost damage. ARDEX and Goodyear have combined their expertise to eliminate that problem once and for all. This integrated system begins with ARDEX's high-performance adhesives and leveling mortars, which ensure a flexible yet watertight bond. Above that, the AquaDrain EK mat forms a capillary braking layer, channeling water away instead of trapping it. As each layer is installed, you can see the precision behind German engineering. Clear drainage paths, stable bedding, and materials designed to endure decades of weather exposure. Once the surface tiles are laid, any water that seeps through is guided safely out through drainage outlets, leaving the surface permanently dry from below. The system not only prevents efflorescence and frost damage, but also preserves the beauty of natural stone and ceramic finishes. For architects and contractors, this means long-term reliability and reduced maintenance costs. For property owners, it means peace of mind. ARDEX and Goodyear together demonstrate that real quality in construction doesn't just look good, it performs perfectly where it matters most, hidden beneath the surface.
Steel reinforcement is evolving. Helix Micro Rebar replaces traditional steel bars with twisted steel fibers that mix directly into concrete. These micro reinforcements distribute strength evenly in all directions, reducing cracking and improving impact resistance. Unlike standard rebar, Helix eliminates cutting, bending, and tying, saving time and labor. It's the only code-approved replacement for conventional reinforcement, offering stronger, safer, and more sustainable concrete construction in a fraction of the time.
Imagine building entire homes in days instead of weeks. Lighter, stronger, and more sustainable. That's the promise of the Emmedue Advanced Building System. At its heart lies the Emmedue Single Panel, a core of expanded polystyrene flanked by two electro-welded steel meshes. Once the panel is positioned, it's sprayed on both sides with a layer of concrete, creating a solid, load-bearing wall.
This hybrid structure combines the insulation properties of foam with the strength of reinforced concrete. It's earthquake-resistant, energy-efficient, and adaptable to every climate. From residential housing to schools and high-rise projects, Emmedue offers flexibility that traditional methods can't match. Because the panels are lightweight, transportation and assembly are fast and economical. The on-site crew requires minimal equipment, often just scaffolding, spray concrete machines, and precision alignment tools. What truly sets the system apart is its sustainability. Production generates minimal waste, and the finished buildings require far less energy for heating and cooling. In regions facing housing shortages, this technology enables affordable, resilient homes built at unprecedented speed. The Emmedue system is more than an innovation, it's a new construction philosophy, a fusion of engineering and efficiency that points toward the next era of building, one where quality, speed, and sustainability finally coexist.